All the big skip bin companies use Isuzu. It's not by accident. They're very reliable, they're very well priced. You can't say a bad word about Isuzu. In Purple Cow at the moment, we're running 31 trucks from Isuzu.
So we work from big residential to big industrial sites. We currently have a big job site at Eastern Creek for Amazon. We do every little jobs, everything and anything. We try to keep the community clean. Every day is different. So we could have a busy day, we could have a quiet day. When we do have our quiet days, we try to maintain our trucks as much as we can. So we're looking at the servicing of our trucks, we could be looking at our tyres, but Isuzu do help us. If there's a slight issue, we can ring them up, they can get it sorted within 2 hours.
Any issues we have, Adam's always on call, taking our call. I don't think anyone knows the amount of work Adam does behind the scenes.
When I was still a trainee, as a trainee salesperson, I met Rob, he filmed earlier today. As a trainee, we sold him his third truck, the third truck he'd ever purchased, and since then I've started to lose count, but I know it's well over 50 units that he's purchased from us in various different businesses.
He's a major asset to why I kept coming back to Isuzu.
Isuzu is so clean to drive, it's so smooth, it's so reliable, it's very powerful when it comes to lifting heavy bins. We do have obviously a tonnage limit on our truck, so we can go to that certain, and we don't have any issues when we do lift up heavy bins. But driving them themselves is so smooth on the road. You don't feel like you're in a truck, you feel like you're in a car. Isuzu trucks are the best.
We're actually very lucky because all of our trucks are new. The company's only 6 years old. Our trucks all have air conditioning. They're still all OKs. It's easier to find the driver. Where if it was an older company running much older trucks, it's harder to find the driver for comfort. I think our main selling point to find drivers is our quality of trucks.
If we do have a service that we need to have a truck off the road for a day, I can jump into another truck and it feels like the exact same truck that I'm driving. That's the best thing about having all the trucks the same. We don't have to lose the work side of it. I don't have to lose hours. I know that I can always work every single day.
Just as an example, all the doors from the small trucks to the big trucks are interchangeable. So any parts we need, any little hiccups we have, it's easy to get parts.
So every Saturday we service 2 to 3 trucks. Once they hit to a certain hour limit, that's major for us. That's why our trucks are so reliable.
Yeah, we got service agreements at the moment. Set and forget. There's no drama. It's all hassle-free. They always get us in and out very quick.
The service agreements that we had made by Isuzu for Purple Cow were actually tailor-made to them. These trucks work hard. They work long, hard days, and we had to, put a lot of effort and a lot of time into them. They're also tailored to work on Saturdays, so everything's built in, incorporated.
If you haven't tried a service agreement, I strongly suggest you give it a go. The numbers do add up in the long term. As long as there's work, we'll buy the trucks and we'll buy the bins.